Okay, so good morning. This is the third day of making this project offered to me. So I hope my hiring manager will like it. So actually, I was given a task. It was to convert the picture. Okay, there's an attachment from the said task, and then it's actually a picture of the different kinds of bags. So I asked to convert it to just copy and paste, converting these pictures in into Microsoft to the Microsoft PowerPoint or Words. So PowerPoint to have a to make a catalog. So from that picture, I made my skill to um, I made my skill to get each picture of these bags so I can make a PowerPoint with its description. So this is now my output. So from the very beginning, so I tried to make what design will I make, and then of course, so to have a beautiful design, I upgraded my PowerPoint presentation so I can have different designs. So now I made one project, but I will be trying to make another design, so there will be lots of options to choose from my um, hiring manager. Okay, so that would be all for this morning. So I'm going to continue my work, and so I can present it to Upwork. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Once again, good morning.